O ito guys, meron tayo dito i-interviewin. Patikan na second mate. Magnetron replacement, kailangan ba ito gawin every 4,000 or 7,000 running hours? Yun.
As per manufacturer's manual,
Okay?
magnetron should be replaced 5,000 hours.
Okay?
But it depends on the company. As per SMS,
Mhm.
as long as radar magnetron is in good running condition and acquiring
Acquiring.
target, it should be based and decided by the company to
Yun.
replace it.
As of now, our magnetron S-band have how many running hours? Yun, makikita natin dyan, oh.
Sobra na.
6,664 point, ano yan? 666,477.9 on time. Uy, laki na, no?
Sobra na.
Normally, pag nagpapalit ng magnetron, nire-reset natin yan. mga
Nire-reset
kaibigan,
yan.
no? Pero dito, ang laki na, oh. Yun.